Hello, and welcome to the AAID Vancouver MaxiCourse. My name is Andrew Gillies, Education Coordinator for Canadian Dental Implant Training Centre, its study clubs, smaller courses, and of course our 30-day post-grad implant fellowship program, the Vancouver MaxiCourse. As you know, implantology is a multidisciplinary field. It's vital for every implant dentist to have a fundamental understanding of the entire process, from tooth removal to bone grafting, from implant placement to healing and prosthetic insertion. We teach you how to plan with the end in mind so that your clinical result is exactly what you envisioned from day one. Our program is geared to those new to implants, those who feel that previous programs may have left gaps in their knowledge base, or for those seeking support and mentorship in further developing their surgical skills in more advanced areas. We developed the program and curriculum specifically to give you the key elements and key fundamentals before moving into more complex surgical cases. We bring experts in the field to Vancouver to speak with you on a variety of topics, providing a multidisciplinary approach to your education. While the didactic portion of the program is designed to build you from the ground up, the clinical portion with live patient surgery is 100% personalized. We want you to stretch your clinical skills by 5% to meet the goals you have for the next step in your surgical skill set. From clinical hands-on workshops and surgical anatomy on cadavers, to demonstration surgeries led by faculty in a variety of surgical techniques, as well as the live patient surgery on your own patients. The experience you'll have with us will open your eyes to the range of possibilities in this unique branch of dentistry. Give us a call today to learn more. Your implant education and lifelong learning journey can begin here.